Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your copper cup using a simple, natural method. Keeping your copper cup clean is essential for its longevity and appearance. Over time, copper can develop a dull patina, but with just a few household items, you can restore its original luster. This method is gentle yet highly effective, ensuring your cup remains beautiful for years to come. Now, let's get started with the cleaning process. First, take a fresh lemon and cut it in half. This will be your natural scrubbing pad. Next, sprinkle about 1 to 2 teaspoons of fine table salt directly onto the cut surface of one lemon half. The salt acts as a mild abrasive, helping to lift away tarnish without scratching the copper. As you rub the lemon and salt mixture, you'll notice the tarnish beginning to disappear, revealing the bright copper underneath. Keep scrubbing until the entire cup is shiny and free of any dark spots. Once satisfied, rinse the cup thoroughly under warm running water to ensure all the lemon and salt residue is completely removed. Finally, dry it immediately with a soft cloth to prevent water spots. To keep your copper cup looking its best, aim to clean it every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on usage. Remember to avoid harsh chemical cleaners or abrasive sponges, as these can scratch and damage the copper's surface. Always store your cup in a dry place to slow down the natural oxidation process. Following these simple steps will ensure your copper cup remains beautiful for many years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.